We're live and getting ready for what should be another great NFL matchup. It's still early in the season, but the contenders are attempting to emerge from the pack.
You have called heads. Is that correct?
The teams have taken the field and lined up for the kickoff, and they're ready to get this one started. Janikowski will be kicking off.
Number 80 and number 85 to receive.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Mason will take a knee and start at the 20. The Titans will start this drive from the 20-yard line. Melissa, is there an update?
I had a chance to talk to the head coach during warm-ups. He said that he expects to see some great plays on the field today. They've made some changes to their game plan, so that's something to watch for early on, Al.
Thanks, Melissa. The Titans are in the offset I formation. Dropping back. Throws it. And he fails to hang on to that one. Well, the quarterback did his part.
No receiver's perfect, so you'll even see the best ones drop a few. But the key word is a few.
So it's 2nd and 10. Only one man in the backfield. Looking for an opening. He can't wrap him up. He's out to the 30, the 40, across midfield. Woodson makes the play at the 41. So they're almost within their kicker's range. George, the lone back, using motion. On the carry. And he's brought down at the 37-yard line. Just about a 3-yard gain.
3 on the play.
They need 6. Gets the pass off. Whitecheck couldn't make the catch. He had good awareness and got a finger on it.
He just stayed with the coverage, and he got his hand right in there.
It's 3rd down and 6 to go. Ball on the 37-yard line. McNair sends a man in motion. Dropping back with the throw, and the catch is made. And he's brought down at the 19. He picked up some nice additional yardage after he made that reception.
And he was able to create yardage after the catch, which is what makes this such a great play. It was a great throw, great catch, and a great run after the catch.
1st and 10. Nickelback in this time. He's looking to pass. Passing to his right, and he hits his target. He had time to go through his progressions and find the open man.
This guy has great confidence in his arm. He knows that he can make the completion regardless of the coverage.
It's 2nd down and 5 to go. 3-man front this time. Free of the defender. Woodson makes the play at the 14-yard line. George got the call for a gain of a couple.
One thing these guys don't want to do is give up in a running game, because if they do that, they become one-dimensional, and that plays right into the defense's hand.
5 yards to go. And this is the 7th play of this drive. Looking downfield. McNair with the pass.
Incomplete pass intended for number 86.
Nedden is looking to add to their total with this attempt. And it's on its way. The try is good. And they're able to get some points out of the drive with the successful field goal attempt.
Hey, that's why you have your kicker. You put him in position to come through, and when he does, it gives your offense confidence. If they don't have to do it all, they can rely on him to get points too.
He gets the kick away. Number 31 will return this one. The Raiders will start the drive from the 35. First and 10. Ball on their own 35. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Dropping back. Number 1 rolls out to his right. Gets the pass off, and they're able to connect on that one. And he's brought down at the 34.
He pulls the trigger quickly. As hard as he throws it, he always seems to put the ball right on the receiver's number.
First and 10. Back to pass. Rolling out to his left. Throwing. Nice reception. And he's stopped at the 21-yard line. It's first and 10. So we've reached the end of the first quarter. We've got a close one underway with the Tennessee Titans ahead of the Oakland Raiders. 3-0. So they have first and 10 here. Ball on the 21-yard line. The backs are lined up in an I. Here comes the blitz. Rolling right. He's inside the 10. And he steps out of bounds at the 6-yard line. First down and goal to go. Ball on the 6-yard line. 4-man front this time. Dropping back. He surveys the field. Passes it out to the left. It's batted away. Heads up play there to knock it down.
He was in a great position to make that play.
Second down, goal to go. Four-man front this time. Quick drop. He's looking. And he's in for the touchdown. That was an almost perfect run in that type of situation.
That was a great decision by the quarterback. He decided to keep it and run into the end zone.
And it's up, and the extra point is good. A good-looking drive, and they score the touchdown. The offensive unit should be very pleased with their performance on that one.
I think all the team's happy after that one. Probably telling their defense to give them the ball back so they can go score again.
Janikowski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Deep to receive.
He kicks it off. Coleman is heading upfield. Just about ready for the first play of this drive. They were able to pick up a field goal on their last drive. First and 10. Four linemen and three linebackers lined up defensively. He's going to throw. Passing right. The defender broke that play up. Wilinowski knocked it down.
Yeah, just stick your hand in there and whap it down.
So it's second and 10.
Switch it up.
The Titans using motion. And he gets the toss. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 42. They definitely came into this game trying to make the ground game a big factor.
Yeah, sure looks like this guy's going to be involved in the offense today.
Congratulations to the fans sitting in
Third and 6.
C4. You've just won a free TV.
He's looking to pass. Steps up into the pocket. And he can't hang on. Camella just dropped that pass.
I think he just took his eyes off that one.
Fourth and 6. Number 31 will be looking to give his team good field position here. Number 31 will be looking for some good blocking on the run back. 2 minutes to go. Penalty marker down.
Holding number 94. Receiving team. Loss of 10 yards.
Deep in their own territory.
Set.
Dropping back. He surveys the field. Javon Curse knifes right in there and brings down the quarterback. And there should be a run on second down. Deep in their own territory. Four-man front this time. Looking for an option. Number 1 throws. And he just can't hang on. And he's unable to hang on to that one.
Well, the quarterback did his job, and he delivered the ball right to him. He's going to have some explaining to do in the huddle.
Inside their own 20. And it looks like an offset on. Looking to pass. Rolls right. He surveys the field. To the 20. Number 53 makes the play at the 25. He breaks this one for a game.
Yeah, you can run any defensive scheme you want. But I'll tell you this, it's hard to compensate for the quarterback that can scramble and make plays on the run. Hey, this is why you run those 2-minute drills in practice, a situation like this. The only difference is this isn't the scout team defense.
Set.
Looking downfield. Number 1 rolls right, gets rid of it. Richie was the intended receiver.
Interference, defense.
They'd like to add a few more points to this lead, but will need to do a good job with clock management. First and 10.
Set.
Drops back. Passes it. And it's caught. Roll. Makes the play at the 19-yard line. He made a quick read and got rid of it in a hurry.
The quarterback delivered that pass right on the mark. There's no defense for a perfect pass. They've got the whole field to use because there's still some time. Plus, they've got a few timeouts. A run or maybe a play pass would work well here.
First and 10. He's looking to pass. Passes it. Batted down. He just knocked it down.
Obviously, this guy thinks he can complete passes and he can't. This is where you want to find a mismatch on defense and try and expose it for the score. Maybe they try a new formation to cause some confusion down there.
They're inside the 20.
Set.
Number 1 rolls right, passes it. Great catch. Great timing on that touchdown throw.
And that's one of those passes we see a lot. When the quarterback releases it, the receiver's not even looking. But then he looks up and the ball's right there.
Set.
The kick is up. The extra point attempt is good. Janikowski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He sends it off. And it looks like there's a penalty on the play.
Illegal procedure. Kicking team, number 11.
How you kick a kickoff out of bounds sometimes just baffles me.
First and 10. Four linemen and three linebackers lined up defensively. McNair going left with the short pass. He shakes a defender, and he's brought down at the 45-yard line.
One thing you don't want to do when trying to get a late scoring drive is turn the ball over. They're already behind as it is, and they can't afford to be down anymore. So it's all about smart decisions by the offense.
And it looks like an offset eye. Drops back with the pass. Mason was the intended target on that pass attempt. McNair couldn't get it to him.
There was no way he was going to get to that one. This is a situation where I have my defense play the sidelines and force them to go into the middle if they want a first down.
They need 5.
Defense, rip it up. Over there.
Looking to throw. Passing right, knocked away. A hard throw, but no count. The pass was incomplete.
If he throws it any harder, the skin might come off the ball. The coverage team needs to play more discipline on this punt, because you don't want to give the other team any momentum going into the half. They have to stay in their lanes.
Hentrick is back to punt. Number 31 sets up, waiting for the punt. Number 31 will try to bring this one back. They'll head back onto the field looking to duplicate their last drive when they were able to get the ball into the end zone, basically through their passing game.
They need a big play here if they want to have any shot at scoring before the half.
So they have 1st and 10 here. He's looking to pass. Surveying the field. With the pass, he just can't find a way to bring that one in. He appeared to feel the pressure there.
Yeah, he felt those guys closing in and gunned the ball out of there.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on their own 27. The Raiders are in the offset I formation. Dropping back. Rolling out to his right. Number 1 sends the pass away. Richie drops it.
For some players, I say the worst place to hit him is right in the hand. Looks like this may be one of those guys. This guy might have a strong arm, but I don't think we'll be seeing any type of Hail Mary. A simple run should get us to halftime.
It's 3rd down, and they have a long way to go. Ball on their own 27. Nickelback in this time. They'll go with a pass. He's looking. He's to the 40. And he stopped at the 46-yard line. It's the end of the 2nd quarter with the score. Oakland 14. Tennessee 3. Let's get back to the action on the field. Let's take a look at our halftime stats. Madden is back and ready to put this one in the air. He sends this one toward the end zone. Number 31 returns this kick. The Raiders will start this drive from the 25-yard line. First and 10. Ball on their own 25. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. He surveys the field, passing right. Just couldn't get that pass under control. He just couldn't bring that one in.
There's really no excuse for that. You just have to catch those balls.
Let's go to Melissa.
Well, Al, the Raiders coach seems to be very happy with his team's ability to move the ball on the ground so far in this game. He doesn't think that they'll have to make many changes, if any at all, unless the defense finds a way to stop what they've been doing so far, Al.
Thanks for that report, Melissa. Looking downfield. Gets rid of it. Nice completion. He displayed a lightning release on that pass.
As a receiver, you have to be ready for any type of pass. He did a good job of hanging on to that last one as it got there in a hurry.
It's 1st and 10. Looking downfield. Rolling left. Number 1 throws left. Despite good coverage, he forces the ball in there.
And when you talk about forcing the pass or forcing the ball in there, that's the kind of play you're talking about.
2nd and 10. The quarterback gets dragged down. Third down and long coming up here. Ball on the 50-yard line. Nickelback in this time. Back to pass. Rolling out to his right. He surveys the field. He's at the 40. The 30. He loses it. The Raiders grab the live ball. The offense recovers its own fumble.
Yeah, that's a heads-up play. You always need to keep your eyes open because you never know when something like this is going to happen.
So we have 1st and 10 here. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Drops back, passes it short, and they're able to connect on that one. Tennesse makes the tackle at the 16-yard line. It's 2nd down and 6 to go. Looking to throw. Number 1 rolls out to his right. He hits his receiver. And he's brought down at the 1-yard line. And so he was able to fire that one to his receiver, converting for a 1st down.
That guy's always had a great arm. That's something you can't teach.
First down and goal to go. Ball on the 1. And it looks like an offset on. And he's tackled at the 1-yard line. He was stopped before he could go anywhere.
Yeah, because those big old defensive linemen pushed those big old offensive linemen backwards.
2nd down, goal to go. Ball on the 1. 8th play of this drive. Looking to pass. Tosses it right. Garner was the intended target. The quarterback was hit just as he was releasing the pass.
He's lucky he got rid of the ball. I'll tell you, he was definitely going to take a sack.
Third down now and goal to go. Ball 1 foot away. Only 1 man back. Looking to throw. Number 1 gets dropped.
Sacked by number 56. Loss of 1 yard on the play.
Fourth down and goal to go. So we've reached the end of the 3rd quarter with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the Tennessee Titans, 14-3. And we'll start the 4th quarter. It's 4th and goal. He's looking to pass. With the pass, nice reception. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
And so once again, a touchdown pass. And it's on its way, and the extra point is good. Well, you can't ask for much more out of a drive that gets you into the end zone.
Hey, as an offensive coach in this league, you always make an adjustment. Hopefully you get the defense on its heels and get it in there for the touchdown. Good job by these guys.
Janikowski is back and ready to put this one in the air. He gets the kick away. The returner heads upfield. The Titans take over on offense at the 20. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 20. He's going to throw. Gets the pass off. Broken up. Gibson. This is a great play by breaking that pass off.
Great position and great reaction made that play happen.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 20. McNair sets up. Looking to throw. Passing right. Mason was the intended target. The offense likes that.
The officials were being strict out there today. Sometimes you got to let the little ones go and just let these guys go out there and play the game.
5 yards to go. 4-man front this time. Looking to throw. Looking downfield. Passing to his right. The defense hurried that throw.
He had no choice but to get rid of the ball.
To go. Four linebackers this time. Back to pass. Looking for an option. Batted down. A huge defensive stand here in the fourth quarter.
The defense remained focused, and they're making it hard on this team to come back.
It's fourth down now. 5 yards to go. Ball on their own 25. Hentrick is back to punt. Number 31 looks this punt into his hands. The offense with a lot of success through the air on the last drive as they move downfield for the touchdown. So they have 1st and 10 here. Four-man front this time. Drops back. Rolls left. Number 1 passes left. The defender's got it. Well, there's an injury on the play, and we'll go to the sideline as soon as we get the information. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 37. He's looking to pass. McNair sends the pass away. Number 31 made the stop to record his first tackle of the game. Only one man back. He's going to throw. Gets the pass off. Dyson was the intended target. No one catches that ball.
He might want to put a little more touch on that type of pass.
The owner of the Red Sports Car, license number J58E42.
Melissa, any news from down there?
Well, Al, it doesn't look good. I spoke to the team doctor and he indicated that it's the type of injury that will take some time to heal. They're hopeful that he won't be out long, but his return is doubtful.
Melissa, thanks for the update, and obviously we're very happy that it's not that serious. So they dug themselves into a hole here, a long 3rd down situation. Ball on their own 49. 3 linemen and 4 linebackers lined up defensively. Back to pass. With the pass. And he steps out of bounds at the 44. He didn't get enough for the first on that play.
You got to wonder what they're thinking running a play short of the 1st down mark around 3rd down. Maybe they were trying to give themselves a little more room for the punt.
They're just about in field goal range. And it looks like an offset on. He's going to throw. Throwing. Mason was the intended target on that pass attempt. The offense turns the ball over on downs.
Sometimes the coach is in a position to gamble. Sometimes they're the hero, and other times they can be the GOAT.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 44. Dropping back. Rolling right. Surveying the field. Number 8 with the throw. And he finds the open man. receiver did a good job running that pass in.
You can't have a great catch without a pretty good pass. And they had both on that play.
First and 10. Ball on the 35-yard line. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. He surveys the field, tosses it right, and they're able to connect on that one. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 23-yard line.
They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense lose their timeout.
So we have first and 10 here. He's looking to pass. Rolls right, breaks free of the defender. Throws over to his right. He hits his receiver. Just an incredible pass by the quarterback.
The quarterback had an open lane to throw the pass, and he got it in there for a touchdown.
And it's up. The extra point attempt is good. Janikowski will be kicking off. He kicks it off. Coleman will try to bring this one back. The Titans take over on offense at the 33-yard line. The defense is trying to force a turnover, which will put an end to this game right now. It's first and 10. Looking downfield. McNair goes with a short pass to the right side. That pass was incomplete.
Well, he slung it in there, but the receiver just couldn't come up with it. They're going to make the quarterback keep throwing because it's the only way that they have a shot at coming back.
So it's second and 10. The Titans using motion. He's going to throw. Throwing left. Dyson couldn't make the catch. Number 31 with a nice tip.
And he did a nice job of catching up with that one and breaking it up.
McNair with three wide receivers. Dropping back with the throw, and he just can't hang up. Number 31 did a nice job of breaking up that pass play.
Yeah, and all you have to do to make a guy miss is tip it so that the ball doesn't go where you expect it to go.
It's fourth down and 10 yards to go. Hentrick is looking for a good punt here. He fields the punt cleanly. Well, he's shaken up after that play, and we'll get you a report from the sideline when we get the information. So they have first and 10 here. Ball on their own 33. Four linemen and three linebackers lined up defensively. Number 8 rolls right, gets rid of it, and he finds the open man. He makes the catch for his first reception of the day.
They've almost got this game won. They still need to run it to make the defense use their timeout.
Melissa, has there been any information on how badly he's hurt?
I was able to talk to the team doctor, Allen, who indicated that it's a minor injury. They expect that it'll take a series or two off and return to the field.
Melissa, thanks for the update. Sounds like he'll be back very soon. Curse now has 2 sacks in the game.
And you just knew he'd get the quarterback more than once. He's so determined to make a big play every down.
Third and 7. Dime backs in for this play. They'll go with a pass. Looking downfield. Goes to the middle. Great catch. Tennesse makes the play at the 47.
Now with little time left, a rushing play should be a good call here.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 47-yard line. Looking downfield. He surveys the field. Passes it. It's batted away. He didn't get a chance on that one.
Yep, nothing fancy there. Don't even give the receiver a chance. Just knock it down.
They'll come out running here to wind the clock down. It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on the 47-yard line. Back to pass. Surveying the field. Number 8 passes left. It was tipped. He forced that pass into coverage.
That guy has a great arm. Sometimes he takes some chances and he throws into coverage.
They're just trying to use up as much time as they can and pick up the win. They'll be faced with a long 3rd down play here. Ball on the 47-yard line. Quick drop. Looking for a receiver. Gets rid of it. Hits his man with the pass. The kick is up, and he tacked on the extra point. The final score is Oakland 35, Tennesse 3. This concludes another EA Sports presentation. For John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying so long.